Do you guys know what Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, John Maynard Keynes, and Peter Lynch all have in common? My name is Joel Salomon. I'm a prosperity coach. And my new book, The 9 Money Rules Millionaires Use, Only the Unconventional Ones, recently went to a bestseller. So thank you guys for that, in both self-help and in personal finance. So what do those guys have in common? They have rule number 9 in common. Rule number 9 is don't diversify. Okay, I know you guys are thinking, Joel, you're crazy. But you will hear it from Warren Buffett. You will hear from Charlie Munger. Let's start with Charlie. Charlie says the whole secret to successful investing is non-diversification. If you know nothing, diversify. Let's hear from Warren Buffett. Some of you may know that Charlie is Warren's right-hand man. Warren is worth over $100 billion. Let's hear what he had to say about diversification. There are situations, he said, where it'd be a mistake to not have at least 50% of your net worth in one business. Peter Lynch, some of you may know, started with $14 million at the Fidelity Magellan Fund back in the 1980s and grew it 100 times to over $14 billion. He said, I'd be comfortable in small portfolios. That means your portfolios with just 3 to 10 stocks. And John Maynard Keynes, he is a very famous economist in the early 20th century, said, to carry one's eggs in a great number of baskets without having the time or opportunity to discover how many baskets have holes in the bottom is the surest way to increasing your loss. Now, let me tell you about my experience as a former hedge fund manager managing over $700 million at Citigroup. I found that my top 5, 6, or 7 investments generated more than 100% of my return, which meant that the other 50 or 60 or 70 stocks reduced my returns. So I'm telling you today, don't diversify. If you want to know more, you can find me at joelsalomon.com or my company name, named after my daughters, Lauren and Morgan, that's Salomor, SALAURMOR.com. You can find my book at 9 Money Rules, that's the word 9, N-I-N-E, moneyrules.com. Again, I'm Joel Salomon. I'm your prosperity coach. Thanks for watching. I believe in you.